Welcome to Grand Continental Hotel. This video shall illustrate our hotel's cleaning and sanitation process the new normal way. All guests and employees are screened for any symptoms at the entry and they are offered sanitizer. Mask is compulsory to enter the premises. Contactless method of registration is being followed during check-in, and guests are advised to settle their bills digitally. All rooms are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized using 1% sodium hypochlorite solution and 70% alcohol-based sanitizer before allotment to guests. All high-touch points, elevator buttons, door handles, handrails, etc. are thoroughly sanitized every 2 hours. The in-house guests are advised to have their meals in their rooms. In-room dining is following the safe distance norms to deliver their food. Our restaurant Contactless is rearranged and the seating is reduced to half capacity. Tables are laid at a distance of 2 meters. Digital menu is being provided to the guests instead of paper printed ones. Emergency helpline numbers if you wish to contact for a help or any information is on your screen. Your feedback is very important to us. Our email is on your screen. Thank you for your precious time.